Okay, friends, surface integrity customers, I just want to show you what we are doing to clarify what we're doing when we come back the next day for the caulking of the tub. Okay, so let me show you. The bathtub was resurfaced yesterday, and we're just back for quick finishing. What we're gonna do is we're gonna install back the overflow cap that we removed before we started, and we will apply silicone in the areas where we remove the silicone. So all around here, we will apply silicone. This specific bathtub is surrounded by acrylic sheets, okay? But we will apply silicone all around the bathtub. You can see all the way down to the floor. We will put some silicone and install the overflow. That's what we're doing when we come back the next day. We're talking about a 15 minutes approximately of a visit, and that's about it. Okay, so take a breath, take a breather, and we come back in 10-15 minutes. Okay, I'm done. 15 minutes passed and we finished here. As you can see, I'm going to turn on the light. Maybe that's going to help. You can see that the bathtub is completely caulked. See, this caulking is all installed around. Nice finish. We try to do it as delicate as possible because sometimes, you know, those tiles, tubs around, acrylics around are not installed as good. Not always they're clean, but we installed it pretty nice. You can see how nice is the finish of the bathtub. This is eco casting, permanent bathtub resurfacing. This is absolutely not spray paint. You can see it's like a factory finish. Smooth everywhere, guaranteed against peeling for 10 years. The bathtub is like brand new. Okay, whoever comes in here, eco casting bathtubs can, you know, if somebody doesn't know, he thinks it's a brand new bathtub. Okay, if you're a professional, you can tell that this is a resurfaced bathtub, but it's very hard to know on the first glance. If somebody comes in to buy this place, he looks at the tub, it looks, honestly, it looks like brand new. It doesn't, there's no streaks, there's no spray marks, it's not rough, it's smooth everywhere, looks like it's manufactured. Okay, this is eco casting, guaranteed for 10 years against peeling. There's no smell when we do the job, there's no toxicity. That's it, that's pretty much it. You can use a bath mat on the bathtub, there's no problem, it's not gonna peel. That's the best you can get for your bathtub. This bathtub was, when we came yesterday, it was painted, it was peeling on the floor of the tub. It was peeling, and this is what we have. All right, guys. See you next time.